Welcome to the BayPay Forum Daily News Podcast. I'm Lisa with your quick roundup of the latest in payments and fintech. Today's show is sponsored by payacademy.com, over 230 payments courses available anytime, anywhere. Now let's get straight to the news.
Thunes launches real-time payments in Morocco. Thunes has launched its services in Morocco, allowing its members to enable real-time payments to bank accounts in the country. Revolut accelerates UAE expansion. Revolut has received approval for its stored value facilities and retail payment services, Category 2, licenses from the Central Bank of the UAE, CBUAE. TrueLayer launches Verified Payouts to deliver optimal withdrawals. TrueLayer has announced the launch of Verified Payouts. Navro obtains Washington, D.C. payments license. Navro has obtained a money transmitter license in Washington, D.C., expanding the regulatory foundations for its cross-border payments business. Green Dot adds Stripe as a Green Dot network partner. Green Dot has added Stripe as a Green Dot network partner, aiming to allow users to add cash to their accounts at multiple network locations nationwide. JudoPay teams up with Shift4 to optimize merchant payments in the UK. JudoPay, part of Fabric, has entered into a strategic collaboration with Shift4 to improve payment solutions for merchants operating across the UK. ESW partners with Shopify for cross-border e-commerce. ESW has partnered with Shopify to support enterprise brands and retailers to grow, localize, and optimize their e-commerce presence in over 200 markets globally. PAEU launches report in partnership with Deloitte and The Paypers. PAEU has announced the launch of a report in partnership with Deloitte and The Paypers, which offers a review across the EU's individual payment markets. Entrust and Mastercard to transform account onboarding with fraud defense. Entrust has expanded its partnership with Mastercard to improve fraud prevention by integrating Mastercard Identity Insights into the Entrust Identity Verification Security Platform. Sikoia teams up with Finova for optimal document verification. Customer verification platform Sikoia has entered into a strategic partnership with Finova to automate the manual review of broker-submitted documents for UK lenders. UniCredit integrates BNP Paribas for custody services. Italian bank UniCredit has picked BNP Paribas for custody services under an ongoing push to streamline its operations and partnerships. Factris obtains €100 million facility to support SMEs. Europe-based fintech company Factris has announced the rollout of a new funding collaboration with Brand New Day Bank, with the firm obtaining a €100 million facility. Ozone API joins forces with Plumery for open banking integration. Ozone API has entered into a strategic partnership with Plumery to support the development of digital banking through open banking integration. PNC to acquire First Bank in $4.1 billion deal. The PNC Financial Services Group has reached a definitive agreement to acquire First Bank Holding Company, the Lakewood, Colorado-based parent of First Bank. BBVA Spain taps Ripple for digital asset custody services. Ripple has signed an agreement with BBVA to provide its digital asset custody technology to the Spanish bank. ANZ to cut 3,500 jobs. ANZ is to cut 3,500 jobs over the next 12 months, marking a 14% reduction in the Australian lenders' workforce. Revolut secures in-principle approval for a UAE payments license. Revolut is to launch in the UAE after securing in-principle approval from the Gulf region's central bank. Wealthsimple data breach exposes customer information. Canadian wealth management platform Wealthsimple says a security breach has left the personal information of some customers compromised. Experian launches solution for banks and lenders to combat financial crime. Experian has introduced a new solution aimed at helping banks combat the increasing risk of financial crime, such as money laundering, fraudulent account activity, and account misuse. DKB partners with Upvest on security services. Deutsche Credit Bank, AGDKB, has revealed its plans to expand its digital securities offering through a partnership with Fintech Upvest. Toss to roll out all-in-one finance app in Australia. South Korea-based fintech company Toss has announced its plans to roll out its all-in-one finance app in Australia this year and expand its reach into additional markets. BNP Paribas and HSBC join Canton Foundation. BNP Paribas and HSBC are the latest financial services giants to join the foundation behind the Canton Network blockchain platform for tokenized assets.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. If you want to dive deeper into any of the stories we talked about, just head over to the news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day to keep you in the loop on what's happening in payments and fintech. I'm Lisa. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to catch up with you tomorrow for more updates. Stay curious. Stay ahead.